AI is hard to escape these days, right? It seems like every time you turn around, there's another article about robots taking over jobs, the future of work, becoming like straight out of some sci fi movie. Is my job safe? Is this something I should be worried about? It's a question a lot of folks are asking, and it's a valid one. The truth is, AI is going to change the job market pretty drastically. Most of the research really breaks down how AI is going to change the whole landscape of work. And I want to give you the inside scoop on which industries are going to feel the heat first and what you can do about it because it's happening fast. We're not talking about some far off future scenario. The AI revolution is already unfolding as we speak. I was struck by those classic images of robots on factory floors, and it's hitting jobs that a lot of people might consider safe, like sales accounting and even analyst roles. The World Economic Forum actually predicts that while AI will create something like 100 million new jobs, it could also displace a huge number of existing ones, potentially as much as 30% by 2030. This is across all sorts of industries and skill levels. Additionally, AI is changing how companies operate at a fundamental level as well. So, no matter what you do, understanding how to adapt to this AI wave is crucial. Let's get specific and identify which industries are going to be the most immediately affected. So, first up, manufacturing and logistics. There are already robots moving boxes, stacking supplies, even managing entire warehouses, and this will only accelerate the precision and efficiency robots bring to those tasks. It's just beyond what humans can do in many cases. Next, we have customer service, and most of us have already interacted with chatbots or virtual assistants without even realizing it. Those automated systems are getting so sophisticated, they're handling more and more customer interactions. It raises an important question, though. What happens to all the human customer service agents? While AI can handle routine questions and requests, there's always going to be a need for human agents to deal with the really complex, nuanced issues, but maybe not as many as there are now. So, the key takeaway here is that this isn't about being replaced by AI, it's about learning to work alongside it. Then there's transportation, self driving trucks, and delivery systems. We're not talking about some futuristic concept anymore. This is on the horizon, and it could completely change the trucking industry as we know it. The potential benefits are huge: increased safety efficiency, potentially even lower costs. Yep. But, of course, there are concerns about what this means for people currently working in the industry. It's definitely a shift that's going to require adaptation. Maybe not all truck driving jobs are going to vanish overnight, but the nature of the work will change for sure. Then, there's finance and accounting. AI excels at analyzing data and spotting patterns, which makes it really well suited to handle those tasks that were traditionally done by financial analysts and accountants. Auditing, fraud detection, generating reports, even providing financial advice. Finally, the most interesting is software development. This is where it gets really wild, as there is an AI called Devon, and it's learning to code. It can fix its own mistakes and even work around errors in human written code. It's almost like AI is coming for the very people who are creating it. It really makes you think, doesn't it? It just goes to show that even these super skilled tech fields, they're not immune to AI's impact. It's easy to get caught up in the fear of AI taking over, but the AI revolution actually offers a pretty optimistic perspective. So instead of being paralyzed by fear, we should be looking for the gaps that AI can't fill, the areas where human skills are still crucial. Can AI really replicate the nuances of human interaction? That ability to build trust, to lead a team, to tell a story that really connects with people? Not really. And those are the skills that are going to be in high demand as AI gets even more sophisticated. It's almost like AI is pushing us to be more human, to focus on those strengths that AI can't replicate: creativity, empathy, complex, problem solving, all those uniquely human qualities. So, how do we actually translate that into action? There are a couple of strategies, for example, adopting AI into your current role and transitioning to a new AI driven role. The first step is awareness. What are the AI tools and technologies that are specific to your field? Once you've got a handle on that, it's about finding opportunities for training and development. So we're talking online courses, workshops, maybe even finding a mentor who's already using AI effectively in their work. The more you understand how AI can be used to make your work better, the more valuable you become in this new job market. It's about making yourself indispensable, not despite AI, but because of it. And then there's the other side of the coin, transitioning to a new AI-driven role. That means looking ahead, spotting those emerging job categories, and getting a head start on developing those skills. So give us some concrete examples. What kind of roles are we talking of? Things like AI trainers, data analysts, specialists, and AI ethics and regulation. Those are just a few examples, and a lot of them don't require you to be a coding whiz. What are the core skills that are universally valuable in these new AI roles? You need a good foundation in critical thinking, problem solving, and data analysis. And of course, strong communication skills. Those are always important no matter what field you're in. So even if you don't come from a tech background, if you've got those foundational skills, you're in a good position to make that pivot. And there are so many resources out there to help you build those more technical skills that are specific to different AI roles, online courses, boot camps, even free tutorials. There's something for everyone. So it's about being proactive, doing your research, and being open to stepping outside your comfort zone. Go to industry events, join some online communities, immerse yourself in the world of AI, and you'll start to see the opportunities pop up. The ability to connect, to create, to think outside the box. Those are the skills that are going to be even more valuable as AI gets more powerful. AI can crunch numbers and analyze data way faster than any human, but it can't replicate those nuances of human interaction. The ability to build trust, to inspire, to lead with empathy. And those are crucial skills in so many fields: healthcare, education, marketing, even software development. It's funny because it kind of flips the script, so instead of seeing AI as this force that's going to make humans obsolete, we can see it as a chance to actually elevate those things that make us valuable. It's as though AI is pushing us to become even more human, to double down on those qualities that make us unique. Where do you see gaps that AI can't fill? That's the million-dollar question. Remember, it's not about competing with AI. It's about figuring out how to work with it, to use it as a tool to leverage our strengths. And the future isn't set in stone. We're creating it right now, and we all have a part to play in that by being proactive and adaptable and embracing those human qualities that AI just can't replicate. I think the biggest takeaway here is that AI is a tool. It's powerful, but it's up to us to decide how we use it. We can either let AI define our future, or we can use it to define our own. I know which path I'm choosing. I hope this got you thinking and feeling empowered about the future of work. Follow for more insights.